Tired of getting calls from no caller ID and not knowing who it is? Here are 3 simple ways to reveal their exact phone number on your iPhone right now. If they just called you, open your phone app, go to the keypad and dial *69. This is a universal feature code that automatically redials your last incoming call, letting you instantly see who picks up. Don't want to call them back? Do this instead. Go to your Recents tab, and tap the I information icon next to the no caller ID call. You'll see text that says unknown caller. Press and hold that text. Then hit copy. Head back over to your keypad. Press and hold the top. And hit paste. Boom, the hidden phone number will instantly appear. If those first 2 options don't work, this third one is foolproof. Log into your carrier account and access your call history. Just match the time of the unknown call to your log, and their actual phone number will be fully exposed. Hope this helps and see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.